Sylvia Idowu. Welcome to Handy Law. In this series, we will look at some provisions of the Child's Right Act 2003 of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This act seeks to protect the interests of the Nigerian child. It stipulates that the best interest of the child must be paramount in all considerations concerning the child. The provisions of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria relating to fundamental human rights also apply here as though they were expressly stated. You may want to look at the series on fundamental human rights that we've already done. The link will either pop up on the screen or you can find it in the description box below. For the purposes of this segment, we will take a couple of those provisions as it relates to the child. Rights to freedom from discrimination. A child shall not be subjected to discrimination merely by reason of his belonging to a particular community or ethnic group, or merely by reason of his place of origin, sex, religion, or political opinion, maybe that of his parents, except where the child is old enough to articulate such. A child shall not be subjected to any disability or deprivation merely by reason of the circumstances of his or her birth. Right to dignity of the child. Every child is entitled to respect for the dignity of his person. Accordingly, no child shall be subjected to physical, mental, emotional abuse, neglect, or maltreatment, including sexual abuse. No child shall be tortured or subjected to inhuman or degrading treatment or punishment. No child shall be held in slavery or servitude while in the care of a parent or school authority or anyone having the care of the child. The Nigerian child also has the right to leisure, recreation, and cultural activities. Every child has the right to rest and leisure and to engage in play, sports, and recreational activities appropriate for his age. Every child has the right to fully participate in cultural and artistic activities of the Nigerian, African, and world communities. The government or person or body responsible for the care and welfare of the child shall ensure adequate opportunities for the child in the enjoyment of the rights provided for above. Finally, every Nigerian child has a right to survival and development, and every child has a right to a name as may be dictated by the culture of the parents or guardians. The birth of every child must be registered in accordance with the Birth, Death, Compulsory Registration Act 1992. Right now in our nation, the provisions of this act may look more aspirational than realistic, but one thing we all need to take away from here is that these laws exist, and any Nigerian or body corporate can enforce these rights through the law courts. This is where we'll end this particular segment. Next time, we will look at the rights of the Nigerian child to health and health services. Please like, share, and subscribe.